Alright. What's he gonna do? He's gonna man up and chase some birds? No? What is that? Ew. What the hell is that? I don't want to eat that. I'll just stare at the birds, dude. Go play with them. Go. Get them. Get them. Play with their little faces. Stare at them. Come on. You're a guard dog. Go guard it. Guard them. Come on. Get the bird. What do you... Don't eat that. Ew. Put that down. What is that? Is that a dead something? Oh, it's... Dryerlint? Just... dangle with it from your face? Come on. Get them. They're not even scared of you. Not even scared of you. Come on. Go get them. Just fucking stare at birds. I mean, you a dog or you bitch? You bitch. Birds. Birds. There's like several birds right there. You lame. Come on. Come on. Go get the birdies. Get the birdies. Get the birdies. Get the birds. Get the birds. Go get them. Go get them. Go get them. Yeah, I'm watching you. Get the birdies. God, you have no problem chasing cats. You have no problem. There you go. Stalker. Ah, blah, 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 blah. That's my boy. That's my boy. That's my boy. Yeah. Look at that. So proud. So proud. Proud of you, buddy. Proud of my boy. You just gonna sit there now? Good boy. Good boy. Alright, I guess we're done here.